Humanities, Science and Technology, Concern, Environmental Protection. Agma Techno Company Limited, an attentively specialized manufacturer of CNC vertical machining centers and double column machining centers. In 1997, Agma Company was established in Daya Township, Taichung County. In the initial stage, we undertook technical collaboration with Japanese OEM and were commissioned the production for exporting to Japan, and subsequently established the core technology of assembly and scraping. In 2001, the EU CE certification was obtained. In 2002, ISO 9001 quality certification and Innovation R&D Blue Chip Manufacturer was awarded by the Ministry of Economic Affairs. In 2003, the China Operational Headquarters was set up in Zhejiang Province, mainland China. In 2004, the BOM and ERP systems were introduced for efficient management and tracking to enable customers to obtain the best service in the shortest time. In 2005, we moved to the new plant in Shenkang Township to expand production capacity and promote production quality. In August, we entered and stationed in the Incubation Center of Zhongyuan Christian University and cooperated with the Machinery Department of Zhongyuan Christian University. In 2006, we joined in the production of high-speed process machining centers engaged in the milling process of the LCD panel industry and forged aluminum alloy wheels. The 9th Little Giant Award was received from the Ministry of Economic Affairs. In 2007, the first generation of toggle-type micro-machine tool was jointly developed with the Precision Engineering Research Lab of Zhongyuan Christian University. In 2008, the 24-meter permitted high-speed machining center was jointly developed with National Huawei University of Science and Technology. In the meantime, we also started designing and developing the crystal growth furnace for optoelectronics industry. Conscientious, careful manufacturing and #1 quality. In order to ensure stable machine quality, comprehensive independent checks are carried out on all Agma's machines. Among them, the scraping process and independent checks of our core technologies lead the industry. The axial accuracy of all series machinery is calibrated via inspection and calibration using laser instruments in the Precision Machinery Research and Development Center. It adopts Germany's VDI 3441 3 Sigma inspection standard. The Quality Assurance Department conducts inspection and testing using high-precision instruments such as geometrical and dimensional measurements. This guarantees that every machine produced by Agma passes international inspection standards upon release from the factory. In the future, we shall actively engage in creating new generation machines and expand in the international markets so that Agma will be recognized worldwide for our efforts for humanity and culture, utilization of technology, and support for environmental protection in the company, as well as its employees' pursuit of happiness and satisfaction.